Yo, everybody! Today we got an unboxing for an expensive cop I got. Went a little bit crazy, but yeah. One last expensive cop unbox video before I go bankrupt and broke. I mean, I'm already broke, but before I go bankrupt, you never know what's going to happen. It's crazy world we're in. And I don't have scissors, of course. I'm never prepared. I don't know where they are either. So we're going to have to do it. I don't want to ruin the box for no reason. Okay, I'm going to find scissors. Got the scissors, so I can open this up now. Super excited for this piece, though. One of my favorite brands. Little foreshadowing here for what it could be. Because, you know, I like to flex for the videos to show off for what I got. Yeah, gotta suit the theme, you know what I mean? Gotta fit the theme. Jeez whiz, man. How crazy is this tape? Yeah, these are crazy expensive. I got the KAWS, North Face, same collab too. Dun, 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 dun. I wanted these so bad, never thought I would actually get them, but you know what? Today we got them. The North Face KAWS Snow Pants. The, what are they called? The Nuptse pants. Damn, they look even crazier, even chunkier in person. So we're gonna look at this together. Stay till the end to watch me try them on, and then I always do a preview at the end with lighting and do all the crazy details for these amazing products that I get. So yeah, here we have it. And now to unbox. Okay, let's open this up. Without, what is that? Without ripping the whole bag apart. Just in case it doesn't fit, I'd want to return it, but damn, I'm so happy with this piece. Super expensive, super excited though. One of my favorite brands, KAWS, one of my favorite designers, and I've recently been buying more of the North Face because of KAWS. Made me try it out, so I got a few regular North Face pieces as well. Like I got a pair of pants and stuff. And yeah, I just really like their products. So, you know, that's why I decided to get it. So, you know, we got the North Face KAWS tag here, the same as they did on all the pieces for this collection. Responsibly down standard, so they're down fill pants. Amazing, super excited for this. Kind of sad though because, damn, there's a zipper down the whole side. I did not know that. What the heck? But I'm kind of sad though because I won't be able to get the jacket. Hopefully, maybe by winter, maybe I can get it if I have some money. Or I'm gonna try on my new jacket that I got to see if it goes with it. We'll see, we'll see. I really wish I could have got like all the pieces together for this. But it's too crazy expensive to get the whole entire set. I wish, because this, like, I love this colorway too. Like, this is my favorite. It does look a lot different in person, I would say. Like, the purple doesn't even look purple. Oh wait, that's like, yeah, like the colors look a lot different in person, and the pants look a lot different. Even I didn't see this whole zip that they actually like zip on and off. I didn't even see that. Kind of weird, kind of random. But okay, so yeah, I was talking about the tag. They're made in Vietnam. The North Face X KAWS 97 Nuptse pant. Blah blah blah. I don't know what that says. Sport, medium, size, regular, made in Vietnam, and printed with soy ink. Very very cool. I want to see some KAWS Patagonia. Got the tag on here. Monterey blue. Monterey blue. I got something else that was Monterey blue. I can't remember. Responsible down standard RDS. Self responsible down. And they got their lifetime warranty, which is also really good. So if anything ever happened to these, you know, I can still get a warranty for them, get my money back. That would be epic. So yeah, You can see it's got the different block design with the, I forget the name of this pattern. I'm blanking on it, but this pattern throughout, this KAWS design pattern and the KAWS colorway throughout. Very nice indeed. Love it. Love the choice. KAWS always has the best colors, best design choice. So we got the embroidered, stitched X's for the KAWS logo there, and then embroidered the North Face both in white on the front. And then you see we got some zipper pockets, YKK with a little ribbon on them. If you want to see more details, stay till the end. The print even goes inside the pockets. Very nice. Got this little mini embroidered 700. I think that's a North Face thing. I'm not too familiar with North Face. Like I said, I've just been getting into it. Same thing as the other pocket. We got this nice like blue on the front, black, black, blue, purple, purple. And then we turn them around and it's black down both the sides type thing. Like the fold over the zipper is just black down both the sides on the front. And we turn it around and, oh yeah, and it's also blacked around the entire waistband, so you know it kind of like all comes together, the colors. And we got a back pocket with a YKK zipper, same kind of deal. You can see the patch for the tag, like the interior tag right on that pocket. Interesting spot. So you got black on the top, then this weird bluish purple, which I thought was more like blue, and then you got this beautiful blue. Like this blue at the bottom is like my favorite. You got this bright blue, and you got purple on this side. Very nice. Love the color choices. And interesting like waistband and stuff. Like it's like a normal waistband, and then it just goes like into like this like crazy like down filled material. Even like this pocket's like this like waterproof kind of like, I don't even know how to describe this pocket. It's like this waterproofy. It's more of like a tarp. Sorry, I'll try and show you from the inside. It's more of like this like tarp material. If you stay till the preview, you can see it's more like shiny. It's more detailed. It's like more strong. So I guess so it doesn't rip or anything. It's ripstop maybe. But yeah, it's very cool. Very nice quality pockets. Then you got that tag like I was talking about in black. The North Face and KAWS, men's medium, made in Vietnam. More tags on here, the North Face. Down sterilization permit. Yeah, and what is happening here? It's so trippy, I don't even know. So that's like, it has like, you can put them on over your pants, like if it's too bulky, just like with the zipper on the side. And the zipper goes all, like you can literally zip them in half. Like I don't really understand the purpose of that. Maybe you can like, maybe it's to zip apart and attach different halves, like the different parts of the collection. That would be also extra crazy. Buy 2 sets and then mix them. Yo, like if I had money, I would be doing that. Got this Velcro attachment and the YKK zipper going all the way down. Side pockets, like I was saying. Oh yeah, and then inside you just got like an elastic drawstring. Whatever they're called, like the nub pull drawstring, yeah. And then in the same Velcro situation on the other side. So yeah. Now I'm gonna have to try them on and see how these things fit. And then, you know, I'll either have to get a blue North Face jacket, get the matching North Face jacket, maybe if another one goes on sale, get a different set and mix match or something. That'd be pretty crazy.
Just got the green light.
Or see if my black one works. So we're gonna test it out right now.
got the green light.